Do you want to become a millionaire? Then these are the 5 habits you must embody to make millions. Perhaps you've imagined it, the allure of the 7-figure bank balance. Maybe you've even scribbled some plans down on a napkin. But have you ever considered the habits that could help you get there? It's not just about the high-flying job, the lottery win, or the lucky break. It's about the everyday practices that shape our lives and our success. You see, becoming a millionaire isn't an event, it's a journey. And like any journey, it's not just about the destination. It's about the steps you take, the paths you choose, and the habits you form along the way. From the way you manage your time to the way you handle failure, these are the building blocks of wealth. Stay tuned, as we are about to delve into the 5 habits that could pave your way to becoming a millionaire. The first habit of many millionaires: consistent learning. The world is an ever-evolving puzzle, and to keep up, one must constantly be learning. The landscape of business, technology, and even our societal norms is in a state of perpetual flux. To stay ahead, to stay relevant, consistent learning is not just an option, it's a necessity. Have you ever noticed how some of the most successful entrepreneurs are insatiably curious? They've got this unquenchable thirst for knowledge. They're always asking questions, always seeking new insights. Why? Because they understand that knowledge is power. They understand that the more they know, the better equipped they are to make informed decisions, to navigate the storms, and to seize opportunities that others might miss. But this isn't about cramming for exams or getting straight A's, it's about a mindset of lifelong learning. It's about constantly feeding your mind with new ideas, new perspectives, new skills. It's about never settling for what you already know, never getting too comfortable. It's about always pushing forward, always growing. Think about it, the world's greatest inventors, leaders, and entrepreneurs didn't get to where they are by resting on their laurels. They got there by constantly learning, constantly evolving. They understood that the key to their success lay not in what they already knew, but in what they were yet to learn. So how do you cultivate this habit? Start by being curious. Ask questions. Seek answers. Read books, attend seminars, listen to podcasts, engage in conversations, surround yourself with people who challenge you, who inspire you, who push you to think outside the box. Make learning a daily habit. Make it a priority. Remember, it's not about knowing everything, it's about being open to learning anything. Because the more you learn, the more doors you open. The more you grow, the further you'll go. So keep learning, stay curious, and stay ahead. Moving on to the second habit, goal setting. Now, you might be thinking, I've heard this before, and you're right, but stay with me because there's more to it than meets the eye. Goal setting is not just about jotting down a wish list on a piece of paper. No, it goes far beyond that. It's about creating a clear, achievable path that you can follow diligently. It's about knowing where you want to go and mapping out the best route to get there. Imagine you're on a sailboat in the middle of the ocean with no destination in mind. You're just floating aimlessly, at the mercy of the wind and waves. That's what life is like without goals. Now picture that same sailboat. But this time you have a map, a compass, and a destination. You now have a direction, a purpose, and a journey. That's the power of goal setting. Goals provide us with a sense of direction and purpose. They help us focus our energy on what is truly important. They serve as a guide, helping us make decisions and actions aligned with our ambitions. And most importantly, they give us a benchmark to measure our progress. But remember, setting goals is just the first step. You need to break them down into smaller, manageable tasks. Then, take action every single day to make those tasks a reality. There's a saying that goes, "A journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step." The same applies to your goals. No matter how big or daunting they may seem, start with one small step, then another, and another. Before you know it, you've traveled 1,000 miles. And here's a pro tip. Write your goals down. This simple act has a profound effect. It makes your goals tangible, real. It's a commitment to yourself that you're serious about achieving them. Remember, a goal without a plan is just a wish. So set your goals, make a plan, and start taking steps towards achieving them, because the path to becoming a millionaire starts with a single goal. The third habit, networking. Imagine standing in a room full of doors. Each door leads to an opportunity, a chance to grow, to learn, and to succeed. This room, my friends, is the power of networking. Successful people know that a strong network isn't just a business card collection, it's about building meaningful relationships. It's about surrounding yourself with people who inspire you, challenge you, and help you to see the world from new perspectives. Think about it this way. Behind every successful person, there's a network of mentors, friends, and associates who've provided guidance, support, and opportunities. The beauty of networking is that it's mutually beneficial. You learn, grow, and succeed together. In the world of business, it's not just about what you know. Yes, knowledge is power, but connections? They're the keys to the doors of opportunity. Remember, in the world of business, it's often who you know, not just what you know. Fourth habit on the list: effective time management. In the grand scheme of life, time is the one resource we can't replenish. Once it's gone forever. This is why successful people understand the value of their time and use it wisely. They prioritize, they plan, and they ruthlessly eliminate any activities that don't contribute to their goals. Think about it. We all have the same 24 hours in a day. How we choose to spend those hours determines our success. It's not about being busy, it's about being productive. It's about focusing on what truly matters and letting go of what doesn't. Effective time management is not about cramming as many tasks into your day as possible. It's about simplifying how you work, getting things done faster, and doing things better. By managing time wisely, you can achieve more with less effort. Time is your most valuable asset. Use it wisely. Finally, the fifth habit: embrace failure. In the game of life, and especially in the world of entrepreneurship, failure is not an anomaly. It's an integral part of the journey. It's a stepping stone to success. Many view failure as a setback, a roadblock. But the real winners, the true entrepreneurs, they see failure as an opportunity to learn, to grow, and to improve. Take a moment and think about it. All successful entrepreneurs have one thing in common: they've all failed at some point. But instead of letting their failures define them, they've used them as stepping stones to reach greater heights. They've transformed their failures into lessons, into strengths. So, don't be afraid of failure. Embrace it, learn from it. Let it motivate you to push forward, to strive for greatness, to achieve your dreams. Remember, failure is not the opposite of success, it's part of success. So those are the 5 habits that could lead you towards becoming a millionaire. Let's take a moment to recap what we've discussed. Firstly, we talked about the significance of consistent learning. Knowledge is power, and in the world of business, it's currency. Next, we dove into the habit of goal setting. Having clear, defined goals is like having a roadmap to success. It helps you navigate your journey, keeping you focused and motivated. Thirdly, we explored the importance of networking. Remember, your network is your net worth. The right connections can open doors to opportunities you never imagined. The fourth habit we discussed was time management. Time, after all, is the one resource you can't get back. Lastly, we highlighted the need to embrace failure. Failure is not the end, but a stepping stone to success. Embrace these habits, and you might just find yourself on the path to financial success. Thanks for watching.